I'm Mustafo.
I'm Lance.
And I'm Shay. We're all students at the Bergen County Academies in Hackensack and the team behind Articul8r.
From emails to Zoom meetings, the vast majority of communication now takes place over the internet. As a result, many people, including myself, do not have the opportunity to talk with each other as much as we used to. Obviously, the current COVID-19 pandemic is a big factor, but I noticed this trend pre-COVID-19. That's why I knew I wanted to create an app that would make talking easier, as easy as shooting a free throw shot.
Mustafo came to me and Lance with a solid idea, and we were ready to work off of it. We decided that we would create an app that could grade a user's speech based off of 4 criteria: volume, pacing, grammar, and filler words. We created 2 parts of an app that would run in coordination with one another: a local user interface on the user's device to record audio and display scores, and a grading system hosted in the cloud to receive the audio, grade it, and relay scores back to the local user interface.
For the user interface, we use Flutter, a programming language developed by Google, as it runs smoothly on both iOS and Android devices. We implemented our grading system using Python, as it provides many resources on audio analysis. We use Visual Studio Code by Microsoft to edit and test our code. We also use GitHub to share code with one another.
For our grading system, we did the following. First, we converted our speech into a text file using a speech-to-text API. For volume, we made sure that the voice was consistent, that it was not faltering, and that it was not becoming excessive. For pacing, we calculated the words per minute spoken by the user and graded it to make sure that it was in a reasonable range. For grammar, we used GrammarBot Client, a Python module for detecting grammar errors. And finally, for filler words, we looked at the text file to make sure that the user's speech was not filled with filler words like or or well.
Once we were done with creating our grader, we had created a neat user interface. As you can see, this is our homepage where you can record your speech. This is a test 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I record my speech, I can either listen back to it or finish the recording and submit the speech to the server. The file is then sent to the server where it is graded and a score is returned. As you can see, there's an overall score, along with scores for the individual categories. We also have a section where you can see what each category is and how it is graded. Additionally, we have a user page where you are displayed with a history of all your recordings, your average, and you can even upload your own user image. Additionally, we had to add dark mode.
The last step was to connect our local user interface with the cloud grading system. This was a bit difficult, but we were able to get it done.
If you have any questions, you can email us at articulator.contact@gmail.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.